So now let's see how we can filter out with tags inside of Evernote. So over here you can see that tags is an option on the left side, and if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is everything gets filtered out by tags right here. If I were to go around over here, click on this wiki right here, you can see that it filters out according to tags. So now if you want to go around and then filter out with 2 tags, then you can see on the top, you can select multiple tags right here. If I were to select wiki and tutor, then what happens is that both of those filters will be applied, and you can see that only the notes with those 2 tags are displayed out right here. You can go around and click on info, and you can see that the tags with these 3 applied onto it are the only ones that is displayed. You can also go around and then close this or clear out the tags right here. It's like this. You can also filter out by using tags by going around onto the view options, and here you can go around and filter out as well. Not the view option, but over here in filter option, you can see tags as an option, and all of the tags that you have, it gets displayed right here as you can see, and then it gets filtered out just like this. And that is how you can go around and work around with tag filters inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.